MI-6771. Installation. Choose to attach the base to your desk using the clamp or grommet options. Line the base up on the desk, then, using the provided Allen key, tighten the topside base screw. Now the base is secured to the desk. Screw the pole into the base and then tighten the base using the security screws with the provided flathead screwdriver. Attach the single arm bracket to the pole and ensure the connection is tightened as shown. Slide the stationary arm into the single arm bracket, then tighten the screw. Then, slide the gas spring arm onto the stationary arm. Tighten the security screw. Attach your VESA plate to your monitor, and then slide the detachable VESA plate onto the gas spring arm. Twist the top lock to secure the monitor in place. Adjust the Allen screw in the joint of the gas spring arm according to the weight of your monitor. Effortlessly move your monitors to the desired position. Add the cable management clamp to the pole.